The start of a new year can be the start of new goals, strategies, and objectives. And whichever that may be, I would like to discuss the top 10 best credit cards to help you achieve those goals, strategies, and objectives. What's going on, guys? Chris Robinson here. In today's video, I will be discussing the best credit cards that you may want in your wallet to help you financially or even help that credit score. And since we know that there is no one-size-fits-all credit card out there, I will be focused on the purpose as well as the benefit so that you can better understand which card is best for you. So be sure to watch through the full video, give us a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay ahead of the game. Alright, so the first card I want to highlight is best for cashback. We all love cashback cards, and the best card for earning cash back would be the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. Alright, so moving on to card number 2. This is Citi Double Cash card, and this is best for no annual fees. Card number 3. This card is best for balance transfers, and this is also another Citi card. This is a Citi Simplicity. And we can see that low intro offers on purchases and balance transfers. Get 0% intro APRs for 18 months on purchases and balance transfers. After that, you can see that the APRs will be in between 14.74% and 24.7%. And this is also based on your credit worthiness. Alright, so moving on to card number 4, and this is a low interest card. And this is the Titanium Rewards Visa Signature Credit Card. Flexible rewards for everyday spending. Variable rates as low as 9.49%. And I could say this is very, very low. You may have known that if you have cards now, you'll know that, not a lot of, credit cards is that low. All right, and so card number 5 is the Best Shakir card. This is for those of us who want to establish their credit or rebuild their credit history. This will be the card to go with. This is Discover It Shakir. It's pretty easy to apply. Some of the many benefits associated with this card is no annual fees, plus it can be identified as a real credit card, refundable deposit, earn 2% cash back, unlimited cash back match, and as well as your monthly FICO score. So card number 6 is designed for building your credit, right? So it's somewhat similar to Shakir card, but this one has a specific target market of building your credit. All right, so card number 7, we can't forget about our students. So Discover It again. However, this is the student cash back card. So you get $20 statement credit each year on GPAs of 3.0 or above for the next 5 years. We can also see that you'll earn 5% cash back as well as unlimited cash back matches. All right, so card number 8 is best for gas reward, which is the PenFed Platinum Rewards card. You can see you get 5 times / 3 times the points on gas at the pump / on groceries. Alright, so card number 9 is the American Express Gold card, which is best for overall rewards. A lot of us have heard of American Express, and you probably heard of the Gold card. This is, a long, well-known card. We can see that for new card members, you can earn 6,000 membership points after spending $4,000 on purchases on your new card in the first 6 months of card membership, right? You can also see that the APR pay over time is in between 15.99% to 22.99%. And you can see that we can earn 4 times more points at U.S. supermarkets, earn 4 times more points at restaurants, $120 dining credit, earn 3 times more points on flights, and it also finished with a control how you pay. Alright, and since we're already on this card, this is our 10th and final card for the best rewards on travels. So, like we mentioned, for number 9, this is best overall rewards card, but this is also best for travelers. We read through some of the many benefits associated with that. But let's figure out this travel section. We can see that we will earn 3 times more membership rewards points when we travel. No foreign transfer fees, the hotel collection, personalized travel service, global assistance hotline, baggage insurance plan, car rental loss and damage insurance, membership rewards paid with points. Alright, so that's the top cards that I suggest that you guys have to start the year off right, to help you with those financial goals, strategies, as well as objectives. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay ahead of the game with future financial helpful videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video.